Alright, I'm hoping this will be a short video, a little add-on. On the last video we placed a staircase in here, but we did not put a railing around it. So if I go to my second floor plan and I go to my railing tab and I sketch a path, it's a pretty quick and easy process to simply throw in a railing around your staircase so that nobody falls into the gap. I'm going to check mark that, and then I can always select it and shift it over a little bit just to make it a bit more symmetrical. Let's see, do I have? So that gives us a view of our staircase from a bit of a bird's eye view. I'm walking up the staircase, and then people on the second level are going to fall in. On the ground level, just in case anybody was interested in adding a more elegant ground level staircase, it would not be a big modification to activate our staircase. And I think it's a pretty elegant feature to activate the second phase of your staircase. Inside your Modify tab, when you select that, it's typically activated. If we were to mirror that second phase, and use this line here as our axis of symmetry, you can actually duplicate those two halves to make a T-staircase where you have an axis point and then traffic can flow in both directions. So let's take a look from ground level and see what that would look like. And I think that's kind of a neat possibility of having traffic coming in from both directions, funneling into that one space on the ground level. It does seem like our staircase is a tad shifted off of center. Soon I'll annotate it to make it more accurate. Clearly, that does not fix the problem when you translate this side to the other side. The ceiling holes on the second floor. Now that I've shifted my, so let's just fix that real quick. I'm going to bring this guy back. And then I need to fix my railing edge. Alright. So I can tweak that later to make everything clean. But for now, I think we're good. So on the other side, now I'm hoping that my staircase is coming up. So let's just see if we can burn through that pretty quickly. Where I'm going to create an opening. I'm going to see if I can, on the corner, find my face. I'm going to draw lines around that edge of my stairs. I hate that line. So I'm going to activate it and create my line. And then if I go check mark, what I've probably done is on ground level, what we've done is made a cutaway on the ground level. So let's see if we can do a cutaway this time, but make sure that we're picking so that's my ceiling, that's my floor, check mark, this time we got it right. And let's play the same game with the ceiling that we had played earlier, where, hey, I want to make a hole. I want to make a hole in this ceiling. So I am going to make an opening by face, select ceiling, but then go back to my second level floor plan and copy the cutaway for the floor. So now if I'm in my regular 3D view and I zoom around, I can see that it's I have a second level that's accessible now through the staircase in both directions. Last thing, let's just finish it. Let's add another railing. So we're coming up through that direction. So railing. I had decided that I was going to redo that anyway. So I just want to fix, tweak my hole a little bit. So the staircase looks fairly centered there. So architectural tab, railing. I'm just going to make sure I stay outside the borderline of my hole. So real quick, let's take a peek. So I've got a railing. I can tweak it in terms of symmetries and distances and stuff like that, but it seems as though we've got our staircase now coming up in two directions, and everything seems to be fitting okay.